Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, you know the drill. Smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit those bell notifications for new epic videos every single week. This week I wanted to show you a quick and easy technique using a cake comb, a classic metal cake comb. I work in a bakery where we make a lot of birthday cakes, and traditionally a birthday cake is raked with these kind of metal teeth all the way around it, so you get a nice kind of texture around the cake. I wanted to show you how to make an elegant cake using a cake comb. So, let's do it! Couple things here. I made a quick batch of my homemade American buttercream and I just dyed it pink. I have a disposable piping bag with an open tip, hot water, and my spatula, my cake comb. And here I'm just going to demonstrate this technique on a couple 6-inch round dummy cakes. Oh, and by the way, I got these super cute cake boards at Michael's. They were on sale for a pack of 3 for $3, so $1 a piece. Awesome. So just putting a little bit of buttercream on my board, just at the bottom, so that when I put my styrofoam cake dummy down, it won't move around a lot. Just putting a little layer of icing in between my two styrofoam dummies. Pressing down nice and hard so she sticks. Next, I just filled my disposable piping bag with my open tip with that pink buttercream. Just gonna start to ice the cake. I just do little kind of vertical lines all the way around. And then the top of the cake. Just starting at the top of the cake using my spatula to smooth it out as best as I can. And then starting on the sides, holding the spatula straight up and down. Just moving it back and forth, kind of letting the turntable do the work for me. And just trying to smooth it out as best as I can. So next, I am happy with the way that this looks. I am going to go on and put on another little coat of buttercream, because when you do use a cake comb, you want your icing to be a little thicker, just because of those teeth, right? So if they dig in far enough, you might see exposed cake, and you don't want that to happen. I'm just going to take my cake comb and dip it into my hot water. And then starting at the bottom, just going to make a couple waves going up the cake. Just like that. And I'm going to continue doing that all around the cake. So that's it really. Just ice your cake, take your comb, just do some wigglies up it, and there you go. I love this texture. I think it's really cute. Next we're going to decorate it with some flowers and some gold. So here it is, guys. Here is the very quick and easy comb technique. Honestly, this cake is such a great idea if you're in a rush and you kind of have to make an elegant cake to take somewhere to a party. It's a perfect idea. Quick, easy. I did add some berries, which I think really adds to the cake. And I did add some gold around that raw edge. I think it looks super pretty. Again, super easy. You can do so many things with your cake comb. Yeah, I hope you like what you saw. If you did, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every week. Thank you so much. Next weekend I am taking the week off, so there won't be a video next week. James and I are taking a little mini vacation. So I will see you all in a couple weeks. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you soon. Mwah.